Suddenly, a rasping call is followed by... and then a beautiful song. The culprit is a giant kua, a shy bird which eventually emerges from the dense scrub thicket. We rise early with the Suimanga sunbirds and one of their predators, the Francis's sparrowhawk. Malagasy turtle doves forage on the dusty ground, alongside flamboyant Madagascar hoopoes probing for insects. And the spectacular crested kua emerges from the vegetation. This is a member of the cuckoo family, and it's often inquisitive towards humans.